Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the formatting of table option. So once you are in Docs, go here in the insert option, insert the table and just choose how many rows and columns you would like to start with. Let's say we would like to start with 3 columns and maybe 4 columns and 3 rows. And here you just write your item and whatever you would like to have in this columns, and in the rows you just write what items you want. Let's say 1, 2, and these are just number 3, 4, 7, 9, 6, 9 and 10. And by default it has the font is in Roboto and size is 24 and it is bold. So let's say we want it to be in italic and this font size should be 11, or let's say 14, and then instead of Roboto we want it impact. Now you can see it has been changed. This item's color is in black now. We would like to have the text color to be red. So we have been able to successfully change the text color to red. And then here you see the highlight color. Okay, so if we just would like to highlight them, then we can use this highlight color. Now this highlight color, what we do with the highlighting pen, we just run it over the lines we want it to be highlighted on. So we just erase that again. How? We just select this text again and we just make it white. So it's still in highlighted white, but the background is white, that's why you cannot see that. And here there are other options you can see. You can take them in the middle, going here, here, aligning. You can align them in the middle, or you can align them completely on the right side. So usually if you align them in the middle, it looks really nice. And here you can see checklist. You can make them as a checklist. So instead, so here, if you just go again, just keep pushing enter, you get the checklist going on. So here, let's say we want 2 and we want 3, we want 4, we want 5. So each of the items is now in checklist form. And more options we get from table properties. So now you can see that border is black. So we just take the border to be let's say this color, and then the border, to see the effect of the border, you can choose to go for 6 here, just to see what's happening with only the table border. See, the border is the color we chose and it's very thick. And now we go again to the table properties. Here, right click and a little bit down. If you just scroll down, there is table properties, and now cell background color. What is cell background color? You just always have to select everything and then going to the table properties, and then cell background color. If you choose, let's say we choose this one, cell background color, let's see what happens. See, this specific cell color has been changed. So if we want the background to be this color in every cell, we have to select every cell and then right click here, go to the table properties, and now cell background color, it need to be put in this color. And then we just click OK. Now you can see the cell color is changed into the color we wanted. We can apply cell padding. So let's say if we apply, then you can see. So I just selected this cell, and then I right click and I go to the table properties, and here you can see the cell padding. So let's say instead of 0.069, that is the standard, they set it, I set 0.4 and see what happens. Now you can see here on the both side there is a gap. This is the cell padding. I mean, you get the gap from top and bottom in that particular cell. So cell padding is really useful when you want some of the items to be completely in the middle, and so that they don't get congested in a single point. So thanks for watching this video.